Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome back to another vlog about my cement plant project. Now in my cement plant project, lot of fronts is open right now. Right now we are doing work like CSP. We are doing the retaining wall. Why we are doing retaining wall? Because we are making the ramp for unloading, offloading hopper and crusher. So this portion is a high. That's why after we support the soil opposite side, we are making a retaining wall, and we are doing cement silo also, and we are excavating the VRM mill, lots of building like CCR building, store building, workshop building. So I will discuss you everything in detail. So let's start the video. This is my first structure. This structure name is clinker silo. Right now we are doing the starter work. Why we are giving the starter work? Because the starter is the supporting point of the wall shuttering work. Okay, this is our inner face and outer face wall shuttering work. That's why we are giving the starter. After that we are doing the cement silo. This is my cement silo. We are doing the plumb concreting. You see where is my foundation is coming, that's area we are doing the plumb concreting. After that outer side we are doing the brick work. Why we are doing the brick work? The purpose of the brick work, because when we concreting the slurry, if we are doing the shuttering work, in joint area slurry is, when we are concreting, that time slurry goes outside. Okay, that's why we are doing the brick work, because if doing the brick work, nothing goes outside. Okay, and outside of the silo area, you see we are doing the PCC alone. This is our tower crane area. We are fixing our tower crane in this area, because my silo height is a 45 meter, or we need to support, give all steels, everything. So that's why we are fixing our tower crane that area. Because and opposite side there is a packing plant also, and packing plant height is almost 2.25 meter. So that's why we are using the tower crane. Okay, this is my third structure. This structure name is VRM, vertical roller mill. Right now we are doing the excavation work. We excavate, that time we got rock in 3 meter. Okay, and the VRM depth is minus 5.1 meter. So we are planning to, after removing all loose soil, we are drilling and breaking, blasting work. Okay, and you guys see in opposite side of my silo there is a lot of building foundation is given, like workshop building. This is a workshop building foundation. Workshop building foundation in NGL is 3 meter, and the lines of building, like this building is a CCR building depth is also same. Okay, we are making office, everything in this CCR building. After that there is a 2 foundation is already work is going on, like raw water treatment plant, and second one is a water circulation pump station. And after that in last we are doing the store building. So this is our layout. If you guys any confusion, I will show you the layout, so you guys understand the sequence of the building. Okay, after that we are making the retaining wall this side. You guys see my retaining wall area. Right now PCC work is happen. Why we are doing the PCC? The PCC purpose is so simple. If we are doing the concreting, the raft foundation, we are support in soil and our raft foundation. So PCC is giving me smooth surface. Okay, and we are also trying, our foundation direct, not touch in direct in soil. That's why we are after the soil excavating, we are doing the PCC. Okay, because we not thinking the lot of moisture coming in my foundation directly. That's why we are giving the PCC. Okay, after that PCC we are doing the steel binding work. After steel binding, you guys see my raft foundation is concreting is completed, and steel binding work in also progress. In also that area we are doing the concreting work. In concreting work we are giving the expansion joint. Why we are giving? For the thermal expansion. You guys know in the winter season lot of temperature changes, so my concrete also react. That's why we are giving the expansion joint. We are giving the 11 meter. In expansion joint we are using the thermocol. Okay, and also we are lot of chemical in market. If you guys want, you can use it. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.